If you are using Google Sheets and want to add numbers based on a condition, then this video is for you. In this video, I will show you some simple examples so you can learn how to use SUMIF function in Google Sheets. So let's get started. The good news is that SUMIF function works exactly the same way as it does in Microsoft Excel. Now let's look at your first example. Here I have a small table with the names of several salespeople and their sales amounts. As you can see, some names appear more than once. Let's say I want to calculate the total sales for Peter. To do that, I'll type equals SUMIF, open parentheses. For the range, I'll select the column with the salesperson names. Then I'll type a comma. For the criteria, I'll select the cell that contains Peter's name. You can also type the name directly inside double quotes if you prefer. Next, I will type another comma. For the sum range, I will select the column with the sales amount. Now I'll close the parentheses and press enter. And that's it. Google Sheets returns the total sales for Peter. Now let's look at another example. This time, I want to add only sales that are greater than 400. In other words, any values that is 400 or less should not be included. Here's the formula. Type equals SUMIF, open parentheses. For the range, select the sales column. Type a comma. For the criteria, type greater than 400 inside double quotes. Since the values to add are in the same column, you can close parentheses and press enter. And there we have it. Google Sheets adds only the sales that are greater than 400. Now let's look at one last example. Here I have a table with the months of the year and the revenue of each month. This time I want to calculate the total revenue, but I want to exclude April. To do that, I will type equals SUMIF, open parentheses. For the range, I will select the month column. Type comma. For the criteria, I will type not equal to April inside double quotes. Type another comma. Now I will select the revenue column as the sum range. Close the parentheses and press enter. Now the result includes every month except April. As you can see, SUMIF function is a simple way to add values that meet a specific condition in Google Sheets. It's easy to learn, and once you understand the syntax, you can use it in many different situations. If this video helped you, I invite you to watch this another video where I show how to use SUMIF function with dates in Excel. Furthermore, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more Google Sheets and Excel tips. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.